Welcome to the in front of me TCL 306, and I'll show you how to install a phone keyboard on this device. So first you should go into the Play Store application, and after that here in the search pool enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we'll have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while the application downloading and then installing on your device. And after that, just open the app here, click Enable in Settings, and near the green Apple keyboard, tap once on the switcher, click OK, again OK. Now just go back here and tap to the switch input method and switch your keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. Now you can see that the process is finished, and for example we can go here into the search pool, click Allow. And now here you can see the look of our new device keyboard, and as can you see, this keyboard is so close to the iPhone one, and they all are the similarities. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.